안녕하세요, 나도메이커입니다. 오늘은 애니메이션, 정렬, 프로젝트 설정과 커스터마이징 위젯에 대해 알아볼 건데요. 스톤사의 HMI RCD에 대해 궁금하신 분들은 위에 카드 영상 한번 확인해주세요. 그러면 첫 번째 애니메이션, 정렬, 프로젝트 설정부터 소개하겠습니다.
GUI supports multiple animation forms, including window animation, widget animation, etc. First is window animation, which is the way to enter and exit the page itself. You can click the name of the window on the left and then enter the window properties. You can see Open and Close Anim Hint. This is where you set the window animation, the default is none. There are many types of animation, please refer to it. If you select any one, you need to set anim duration and anim trend. If it is an overlay animation, you also need to set the start transparency and the end transparency. The value range is 0 to 255. Then the widget animation, which has 4 types: move, value, opacity, and attributes. Among them, value animation requires the widget itself to have the value attribute. And the animation of image-related widgets will have 2 more animations, scale and rotation. Take the button widget as an example. Set a move animation, here is a fixed option. The name can be empty or set according to your needs. Delayed start time can set the animation delay, and the relevant time units are all milliseconds. If single anim duration is 1500, it means that it takes 1.5 seconds to complete an animation. Multi-speed refers to multiple speed playback, its default value is 1. There are many choices for single anim trend. It is generally recommended to choose linear. You can only choose one of round trip time and repeat time, and the value behind represents the number of times. If you want to play forever, you can set it to 0. Autoplay created an auto-delete over our whether to play automatically and automatically destroy, which can be set according to your needs. Now let's introduce the alignment of widgets. First, the top and bottom alignment of multiple widgets. Then the left and right alignment. There are also horizontal center alignment and vertical center alignment. The above are all commonly used alignment methods. If you want to try more types, you can click and expand the menu. The hierarchical relationship of widgets can also be adjusted in this menu. You can place it on the top layer, on the bottom layer, move up one layer, move down one layer, etc. In the upper right corner of the GUI software is the commonly used widgets area. The first row will automatically update according to the user's usage habits, and the second row can be customized by the user. Users can directly drag and drop commonly used widgets to the second row. In Settings, you can see a lot of basic settings about the project itself. In addition, there are LAN settings. This function requires an Ethernet port on the HMI screen. LAN is disabled by default, and you can set static or dynamic IP connections. If you choose static IP, you need to fill in the relevant content manually. MQTT requires MQTT-related configuration first. You can refer to the MQTT-related chapter of the user manual. Screensaver needs to be set in conjunction with the window page in the UI file. You can set the start time, the brightness when it takes effect, the brightness after wake up, etc. The above settings need to be filled in for the checked items as required. If you don't want to fill in, you can uncheck the corresponding items. The lower left corner of the GUI software is the resource bar, where users can put the pictures, fonts, videos, and audios they want to use in the resource bar and wait for them to be called. All resource names cannot exceed the scope of lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores. You can click the plus sign on the right to add them to resources.
여기까지 애니메이션, 정렬, 프로젝트 설정에 대한 내용이었습니다. 이제부터 커스터마이징 위젯에 대한 내용을 설명하겠습니다.
We would like to introduce how to configure style and other settings of all widgets from this video. Users need to configure customized style for each individual widget according to needs. Please click View, Widget and Custom Style for further settings. You may also complete your customizations from Style at the right side of Widget Properties setting. Users may customize the name of style as needed. Please be noted all settings related to style are related to the appearance of the widget, for example background image, color, and etc. Users may save customized style for future use from style parameter. Please be noted each state of widget related to its individual style settings. Now, we are going to talk about common property settings for most of widgets. Type is unchangeable, which representing the category of the widget. Users may customize the name of the widget, however it is not allowed for two widgets have the same name in one project. X and Y represent the coordinates of the widget. Users may locate the widget at needed position by either dragging of mouse or setting from properties. W and H represent the width and height of widget. Users may locate the widget at needed position by either dragging of mouse or setting from properties. Clicking on and off of Enable will enable and disable the widget. Clicking on and off of Visible will make the widget either visible or invisible. Please be noted, making widget invisible does not mean disable the widget. The widget will work in an invisible way. State represent the status of widget. Please pay attention that each widget has its own state S, which each of the state need to be configured individually. Users may set needed text content of the widget from text and configure its color. Users may select needed font, import it into Stone Designer already, and configure its size and type of alignment. Users may configure needed border and its color and width. Users may configure needed background image from BG image and its color, draw type. Users may configure needed icon image and its position from icon and iconette. Users may customize the round corner appearance of the widget from round radius. Margin represents the distance between text content and sides of widget. Users may customize the settings according to needs. Please be noted, some widgets have FG image parameter, which represent foreground image. You may consider FG image is a layer above BG image setting.
오늘은 애니메이션, 정렬, 프로젝트 설정과 커스터마이징 위젯에 대해 배워봤습니다. 다음 영상에서는 UI 디버깅 함수와 버튼, 텍스트 위젯의 동작에 대해서 자세히 설명드리도록 하겠습니다. 영상이 유익하셨다면 좋아요와 구독 부탁드리며 사용 중 궁금한 점이나 피드백은 댓글로 남겨주세요. 다음 영상에서 만나요. 안녕.